working as guys does. And today we are doing another speed build of the Lego City garbage truck. And yeah, let's get started and jump right into it. So guys, see you guys in the speed build. This is the set, and the garbage truck can go like this. Oh my goodness! The garbage truck can go like this. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, that was a little bit scary. So you go like this, and then you go like this, and then I'm gonna dump it, and then these people, the lady worker, and male worker, and yeah, they work together, and then, so there's also, you can do this. So there's one guy right here and the person over inside. Get in there. Just be lolly. And then there goes the other guy. There's garbage on the floor, and then all the garbage is right here, and what are we all gonna do about it? So, he comes, drops, grabs the sweeper, sweeps it all up. And then you like get a garbage bag or something like that for it. All go in here. All the garbage is gone. There's a hole there. I'm not sure if that's his supposed to. Let's see. Oh god. Yes, it wasn't a problem, but there is a hole there, but no garbage will ever come through there. It's okay, guys. And so yeah, let's get set again. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Take care.